splish splash, I was taking a bath. All about a Saturday night. Oh, rubbed up, just relaxing in the tub, thinking everything was alright. Then I stepped out the tub, put my feet on the floor, wrapped my towel around me, I opened the door, and then a splish splash, I jumped back in the bath. How was I to know there was a party going on? There was a splishing and a splashing, rolling and a strolling, reeling with the feeling, rocking and a rolling. Yeah! Ow! Bing bang, I saw the whole gang dancing on my living room rug. Well, flip-flop, they were doing the bop. All the teens had a dancing bug. There was a lollipop with Peggy Sue. Good golly, Miss Molly was even there too. And then a splish splash, I forgot about the bath. Went and put my dancing shoes on. Yeah, I was rolling and a strolling, reeling with the feeling, moving and a grooving, pushing and a splashing.